Clipper is another example of diode application. They are the wave shaping circuit. We will see some examples of clipper circuit. This is a clipper circuit. Now we will see how does this circuit work and what will be the output waveform. This is the input to the clipper circuit. The input is AC. This is the reference voltage, which is DC. This battery voltage is marked here. In positive cycle, when the input is less than the V reference, this is the region where the input is less than the V reference. At this point, when V reference is this, V reference is more than the input voltage. Both anode and cathode voltage is positive, but cathode is more positive than the anode. This is positive. So this makes the anode positive. So anode is positive, and this battery, the positive plate of the battery makes the cathode also positive. But when the input is less than V reference, my battery voltage is more than the input voltage. At this moment, the anode is less positive than the cathode. This is a reverse bias condition. So I can say that the diode at this moment is in reverse bias. When the diode is reverse bias, it will behave as an open circuit and there will be no current through the diode. The output will be equal to the input. So I can show here that the output is equal to the input. When the input is more than the reference voltage, the anode is more positive than the cathode. This will make the diode forward bias. When the diode is forward bias, it behaves as a short circuit. The circuit here shows that the diode is forward bias. Here the battery voltage will come across the output. So here output is equal to the battery voltage, that is reference voltage. So when the input is more than V reference in positive cycle, the diode is forward bias, and when the diode is forward bias, the output will be reference voltage. As soon as the input reduces from the V reference, जैसे ही इनपुट रेफरेंस वोल्टेज से कम हो जाएगा तो डायोड फिर से रिवर्स बायस हो जाएगा. जैसे ही डायोड रिवर्स बायस हो जाएगा, द इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट विल बी दिस विल बी द इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट और आउटपुट विल बी इक्वल टू द इनपुट वोल्टेज. आउटपुट और इनपुट एक जैसा होगा. इट विल बी सेम एज द इनपुट. अब हम बात करेंगे व्हेन द इनपुट इज नेगेटिव. जब नेगेटिव साइकिल आएगा तो ये वाला टर्मिनल नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, ये वाला पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. जब ये वाला टर्मिनल नेगेटिव है तो यहाँ पे ये वाला पॉइंट भी नेगेटिव हो जाएगा और ये वाला पॉइंट पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. इस वजह से एनोड विल बी नेगेटिव and cathode will be positive. This makes the diode again reverse bias. फिर से the equivalent circuit will be this. जब reverse bias होगा डायोड तो ओपन सर्किट हो जाएगा और जब ये ओपन सर्किट हो जाएगा तो आउटपुट इनपुट के बराबर होगा. जब आउटपुट इनपुट के बराबर होगा तो आउटपुट इस तरह से दिखेगा. So in this clipper circuit, clipping is taking place, and this time the clipping is done of the peak of the positive cycle. So upper peak of the positive cycle is getting clipped off. Now let us see the second clipper circuit. We will find out how does this work and what will be the output waveform of this circuit. This is the input to the circuit. This time reference voltage हम नेगेटिव लेंगे. दिस इज बिकॉज कि इस समय जो प्लेट है बैटरी का उसमें नेगेटिव प्लेट ऊपर है. बिकॉज दिस नेगेटिव प्लेट इज अप, सो वी कंसिडर दैट द रेफरेंस वोल्टेज इज नेगेटिव. नाउ आई विल मार्क द डीसी voltage which is negative here. In positive cycle, the terminals will be positive here and negative here. This positive makes the cathode positive and the negative plate of the battery makes the anode positive. The negative plate of the battery makes the anode negative. Anode is negative and cathode is positive. That means the diode is in reverse bias. When the diode is reverse bias, it will behave as an open circuit and output input के बराबर होगा. यहाँ पे I show you in the input waveform. यहाँ पे how to plot it. For the positive cycle, output will be equal to the input. In negative cycle, this terminal will be negative and this terminal will be positive. This makes anode negative and this makes cathode negative and anode is also negative. Now we have to compare which is more negative. When the input is from 0 to minus V reference, when the input is starting from 0 to minus V reference, till that time my reference voltage, that means my battery voltage, is more. From this I can conclude that my anode is more negative than my cathode. This will reverse bias the diode. When the diode is reverse bias, output input के बराबर होगा. So I will draw it like this. Output और input बराबर होंगे. Now as soon as input V reference से बड़ा हुआ, जैसे input V reference से बड़ा हुआ, my cathode becomes more negative than my anode. जैसे कैथोड ज्यादा नेगेटिव होगा एनोड से, डायोड विल बी अगेन फॉरवर्ड बायस. जब डायोड फॉरवर्ड बायस होगा तो diode will be a short circuit. When the diode is short circuit, output I will now get equal to V reference. So output will be V reference when the input is more than my V reference. जैसे ही input V reference से छोटा हुआ, diode will be again reverse biased. जब reverse bias हुआ डायोड, वो ओपन सर्किट हो जाएगा और आउटपुट इनपुट के बराबर हो जाएगा. So in this case, this portion of negative cycle is getting clipped off. This is another clipper which is having two diodes. in this circuit there are two reference voltages again, V1 and V2. V1 is positive. I will mark V1 here. This is V1, and I will mark V2 here because V2 is negative. It is minus V2 here in negative side. So when the input is starting from 0 to V1, the equivalent circuit is shown here. Both the diodes are reverse biased. They are open circuit. When both the diodes are open circuit, output voltage will be equal to input voltage. So output will equal the input voltage. The output waveform is shown by this. This is the output waveform. Now when the input increases V1 से ज़्यादा जब इनपुट होता है तो डायोड D1 का एनोड विल बी मोर पॉजिटिव और कैथोड लेस पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. इन दिस केस डायोड D1 विल बी शॉर्ट सर्किटेड, और जब डायोड D1 शॉर्ट सर्किट हो जाएगा तो सर्किट विल लुक लाइक दिस. आउटपुट at this moment will be V out is equal to V1. So V out will be equal to V1 and will look like this. जैसे इनपुट V1 से छोटा हुआ, यहाँ पे जैसे हमें दिख रहा है कि इनपुट V1 से कम हो गया, तो अगेन डायोड D1 will be reverse biased और आउटपुट इनपुट के बराबर हो जाएगा. अब हम कंसिडर करते हैं कि इनपुट इज नेगेटिव. नेगेटिव साइकिल में ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा और ये नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. जब ये पॉजिटिव हो गया और ये नेगेटिव हो जाता है तो यहाँ का टर्मिनल ये नेगेटिव हो गया, ये पॉजिटिव हो गया और ये नेगेटिव हो गया. विद दिस द एनोड of D1 is negative and it becomes reverse bias. तो पूरे नेगेटिव साइकिल के लिए D1 रिवर्स बायस हो जाएगा. तो D1 फॉर द होल कंप्लीट नेगेटिव साइकिल ये रिवर्स बायस ही रहेगा. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट D2? D2 द एनोड इज नेगेटिव, कैथोड भी नेगेटिव है, लेकिन जब तक इनपुट यहाँ से यहाँ तक नहीं आता तब तक V2 बड़ा है. V2 बड़ा होने की वजह से एनोड ज़्यादा नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, और जब एनोड ज़्यादा नेगेटिव होगा तो डायोड D2 भी रिवर्स बायस होगा. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक D1 और D2 दोनों ही रिवर्स बायस है. जब दोनों ही रिवर्स बायस है तो आउटपुट इनपुट के बराबर होगा और वेवफॉर्म विल लुक लाइक दिस. इनपुट के बराबर वेवफॉर्म होगा. जैसे ही V2 से बड़ा हुआ इनपुट, वैसे ही द डायोड D2 इज गेटिंग शॉर्ट सर्किट, फॉरवर्ड बायस हो जाएगा, क्योंकि कैथोड ज्यादा नेगेटिव हो जाएगा और एनोड कम नेगेटिव होगा. जैसे ही डायोड D2 शॉर्ट सर्किट होगा वैसे ही आउटपुट विल बी इक्वल टू V2. ना जैसे ही इनपुट V2 से कम हुआ वैसे ही दोनों डायोड शॉर्ट ओपन सर्किट हो जाएंगे. जब दोनों डायोड ओपन सर्किट हो जाएंगे तो इनपुट और आउटपुट एक बराबर हो जाएंगे. तो इन दिस केस this portion and this portion both are getting clipped off. This is a series clipper circuit in which the resistor is here. RS is the resistance where we are taking the output. The battery is in series with the input. We have to find out what is the voltage coming across the diode. From this figure, it is clear that the voltage across the diode will be Vin minus V. At this point Vd, the voltage across the diode is Vin minus Vd. When Vd is positive, the diode will be forward biased and I'll get an output which will be again equal to Vin minus V. When Vd is negative, the diode will be reverse bias and the output I'll get 0. Now we will try to make a table of Vin and Vout. We will vary Vin and what output voltage we are getting we will see. In the circuit, it is clear that the reference voltage is positive, V is positive, so I mark V over here. This is the 0 level, so I mark it here. Now when the input is 0, the output will be 0 minus V, which is equal to minus V. With this minus V, diode D will be reverse bias. As the diode will be reverse bias, the output voltage will be 0 here. Now I consider that the input here is V. V minus V is equal to 0. So when the input is V, output is again 0. Now I consider that the input is more than V. Suppose a point maximum, if I take maximum voltage Vm, if input is Vm minus V is equal to a value which is positive, any value which is positive. So at this time the diode is forward bias and I will get the output. When the input is Vm, output will be Vm minus 1. V. When the input is less than 0, say it is minus Vm, minus V will be any value which is negative. Negative voltage will make the diode reverse bias, so the output voltage will be 0. Now I will plot the output waveform. Now we will see how the output will look like. When the input is 0, output is 0. The output is 0 till the input is V. So from 0, when the input is 0 to V, my output is remaining 0. When the input is more than V, the output will be like this. The output will be Vin minus V. So peak of this output will be labeled as Vm minus V as shown here. When the input is less than V, again when it drops from V here, again the output will be 0. So this point is 0, and for the complete negative cycle the diode is reverse biased and the output will be 0. So a lot of portion of this input is getting clipped off.